Good day, sir. I am Goljud Padilla. Today, I'll explain the five importance, concept, and Laravel play. These are template, inheritance, section, and yields, control structure, curly braces, and components. Let's get started. And number one, what is template inheritance in Blade, and how can it be used in a real-world application? Define a master layout. Child views extend it. Real world use like share header and footer across pages. Then template inheritance means we can create one main layout with common parts like the header and footer. Then the then other pages can extend this layout and just add their own content, which saves time and avoids repeating the code. And next, um, how can blade sections and yields be utilized to manage content and different views? Section and yields. At sections, define contents block. At yields, displays them and the layout. Keeps keeps layout consistent but allows unique page content. Select sections and yields work together. Then the layout uses at yield as a placeholder and the child pages use at section to fill it. This way we can have a consent and design but different content on each pages. And number three, how the blade control structures make your codes more readable compared to raw PHP. Blade control structures cleaner and more readable than raw PHP uses if, at for each, at for at, at while, and then Blade gives us simple syntax for condition and loops like at if and at for each. Then it looks cleaner than raw PHP code. So it's easier to read and understand it. And next, number four, what is the purposes? What is the purpose of the curly curly syntax in Blade, and why is it important for security? Double curly braces used to safely display variable automatically escapes. HTML protects against the XSS attacks. curly, brace, curly braces are used to show variable on a page. They also protect the website by escaping harmful code. For example, if someone tries to add a script, it will shows it will just show as as text instead of running. Then last part, the number five. How can blades components and slots be used to create reusable UI elements? Components and its slots. Components are reusable UI elements. Then the slots is equal to placeholder for dynamic contents. Promotes modular design. At the components are reusable parts of the UI. Then, like an alert box. This slots is let us put customs content inside those components. This makes our code more organized and consistent. And that's all, sir. Thank you po.